Praise ye Jehovah.
Blessed is the man that feareth Jehovah, that delighteth greatly in his commandments. His seed shall be mighty upon earth, the generation of the upright shall be blessed. Wealth and riches are in his house, and his righteousness endureth forever. Unto the upright there ariseth light in the darkness, he is gracious, and merciful, and righteous.
Well is it with a man that dealeth graciously and lendeth, he shall maintain his cause in judgment. For he shall never be moved, the righteous shall be had in everlasting remembrance.
He shall not be afraid of evil tidings, his heart is fixed, trusting in Jehovah. His heart is established, he shall not be afraid, until he see his desire upon his adversaries. He hath dispersed, he hath given to the needy, his righteousness endureth forever, his horn shall be exalted with honor.
The wicked shall see it, and be grieved, he shall gnash with his teeth, and melt away, the desire of the wicked shall perish.